Hello everyone, my name is Chidima Onuoha, and I'm excited to introduce my blue ocean business idea, EcoHydro Clean, a revolutionary solution to provide affordable and sustainable clean water worldwide. Water is essential for life, yet over 2 billion people worldwide lack access to safe drinking water. Traditional purification systems are either too expensive, inefficient, or inaccessible to underserved communities. The consequences? Health crises, poverty, and limited economic growth in affected areas. There needs to be an affordable, eco-friendly, and accessible solution. The existing water purification industry operates in a red ocean filled with intense competition. Major players, such as bottled water brands and filtration companies, focus on expensive technology-driven solutions. These companies overlook affordability and accessibility, leaving millions without clean water. Consumers have limited choices, often stuck with costly bottled water or unreliable filtration systems. Instead of competing in this overcrowded market, EcoHydro Clean identifies 3 tiers of non-customers. Disadvantaged communities who cannot afford traditional filtration, schools, hospitals, and small businesses looking for cost-effective solutions, and households in urban areas who seek an eco-friendly and affordable alternative. By targeting these ignored groups, we tap into a vast market beyond conventional competitors. EcoHydro Clean breaks away from the red ocean by eliminating reliance on expensive filtration systems and plastic waste, reducing operational costs and maintenance fees, raising efficiency and sustainability through solar-powered filtration, and creating an innovative, low-cost, biodegradable filter that uses natural resources like coconut shells to purify water affordably. This shift makes EcoHydro Clean a game-changer in the water purification industry. To summarize, EcoHydro Clean is a blue ocean innovation because it achieves differentiation and low cost simultaneously. We provide a scalable, sustainable, and socially impactful solution, ensuring clean water reaches everyone, not just those who can afford it. With the right partnerships, funding, and awareness, this venture can revolutionize water access worldwide while being profitable and impactful. Thank you for watching. If you believe in a future where clean water is a right, not a privilege, support EcoHydro Clean. Let's create a blue ocean of opportunities together.